Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in San Nicola Arcella today, and yeah, we were just here a few days ago, and boy, you guys loved that one. I saw it trending up pretty high, that beautiful apartment above the gelateria. I'm going to turn this around so you can have a look at where we are. Okay, now we are in San Nicola in a condo complex very close to this little strip here. You've got all your little shops, you've got a little supermarket, you've got a gelateria. This is the main drag that goes into town. Over on the other side of this place is a beautiful little nursery where you can get all your flowers and plants. If you go down here and around the corner, you are at the historic center of San Nicola. And you can see it's a little bit hazy today, so you can't see, but between those houses there is the sea. So we're gonna go take a look at this unit. I think you're gonna love it, guys. Okay, so this unit is on the second floor. This is a beautiful complex, you guys. One of the things that I like is when the complex is well cared for, you know that's gonna be a nice place to live. The people that care for the complex actually do the work and everything else. So it's gonna look nice for a long time. And it's going to keep your property values up. So let's go take a look. We're going into the unit right now. Look at how light and bright it is in here. I just love it. And look at that cute arch. Okay, now there's no electrics on right now, so the bathroom is a little bit dark. You can see it's a nice bathroom. It works. There's your fixtures back there, your bidet and your toilet. You got a decent sized shower here. It's not like my old shower that I had in my old house where if you dropped the soap, you had to open up the shower door so your head could stick out before you could get it. But this is a nice shower. It looks like in really good shape too. Hello guys. Let's go see the rest of this place. You're gonna love it. Okay. Now over to your left is the bedroom, and it's a good sized bedroom and I like it. It's so light and bright in here. This place is really, really nice. Kind of luminous. The light, for some reason, coming off the hill, I guess, is very pretty in here. Here you have a little balcony. Perfect place to have your coffee in the morning. And it looks out onto this little orchard, which is very charming. Very charming. This is a nice area. San Nicola is a very desirable area. So this would be a nice little unit, very close to the historic center. I love the little touches they did. They've got some beautiful artwork on the walls, which probably does not come with the unit, but it is very pretty. And here's your kitchen soggiorno area, very open, very good sized. Little eating area. That table's relatively big. And the kitchen is just a little stricha kitchen, which is like a strip. But I think, you know, you could do a lot with a kitchen like that. They've got some pots and pans up above. They got a little shelf space up above that they're using. And here you can redo the kitchen, have everything you need. Actually, the tiles in really nice shape. I would keep these tiles. I think they're really cute. They're green, red, and white. And they look to be in really nice shape. All you have to do is get new kitchen cabinets and whatnot. And something that size would be very inexpensive. You could get something very nice here. Over here, you've got your fridge over in that corner, but over here in this corner, you have a little room for a little china cabinet, so you can have more space if you like stuff in your kitchen. Now, I wish it was a very, very blue and sunny day here, because look at this, you guys. This is your terrace, and that, you can't see it because it's not blue today, but that's the sea right there. That is the sea in San Nicola. It's a beautiful view out this terrace. So here's what your view looks like. Down there's a little courtyard with all kinds of plants. It looks like there's a lot of work going on over there. So hopefully that'll up your property values. It looks to be a nice, quiet area. And again, you're so close to San Nicola Old Town. This is a nice unit, guys. I think it's in beautiful shape. If somebody wants what one of my clients called a wee bolt hole, a place to run away to where nobody knows where you are and nobody can find you, you can enjoy all the food and the culture and everything in southern Italy, this might be the place for you. This is really, really nice.